Hey guys, Ethan Pleasant back here with another video. Turns out Lawrence the bird has died. So
we came to the show of respect
yeah,
for the birds.
somebody pulled out the nest, suffocated him in a bag. So we gonna see right now. Oh dang! Somebody really did take out the nest. It was right there. Remember, guys?
Where's the bag?
Oh, the bag. Hold on, we'll be back. Anyway, guys, it seems like Lawrence is dead, so yeah, I guess he didn't survive the night because somebody actually suffocated him.
I knew we should.
So murder. It's pretty much murder.
I knew we should have put him somewhere else.
So yeah,
Wow.
we put him in a tree. We put him in his natural habitat. Somebody found him and suffocated him. So that's the end of Lawrence. See y'all guys later. Bye.